Welcome back to Bike Future Huber, your ultimate source for the latest and greatest in the motorcycle world. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 BMW G310 GS, BMW's smallest adventure bike that has captured the hearts of riders worldwide. But does this latest model live up to the legacy of the GS lineup? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about design. BMW has refined the 310 GS's look while keeping its signature adventure DNA. The 2025 model gets sharper LED headlights with integrated DRLs, a redesigned beak-style front fender, and a more aggressive tank shroud design. Plus, BMW is offering new color schemes, including the iconic Rally Edition with blue, white, and red highlights. From a distance, this bike looks like a mini version of its big brother, the R1250 GS. The rugged stance, tall windscreen, and high ground clearance scream adventure, but is it just for show? Let's dive into the specs. Under the hood, under the tank we have a 313cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that pumps out 34 horsepower at 9,250 rpm and 28 Nm of torque at 7,500 rpm. BMW has fine-tuned the throttle response for smoother power delivery, making it more refined for both city and off-road use. The 6-speed gearbox now features an assistant slipper clutch for seamless shifts, reducing wheel hop during aggressive downshifts. And yes, BMW claims improved fuel efficiency, with an estimated 30 to 32 km/L, making it perfect for long-distance touring. Now, let's talk about handling. The 2025 G310 GS retains its lightweight 175 kg curb weight, making it extremely flexible in urban traffic and agile on trails. The 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheels give it a good balance between stability and maneuverability. So, how does it compare to the competition? The G310 GS sits between the aggressive KTM 390 Adventure and the more rugged Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. While it may lack the outright power of the KTM, it makes up for it with premium build quality and better road manners. The expected price, around $6,500, $7,000, making it slightly pricier than its rivals but offering the legendary BMW reliability and badge appeal. Let me know in the comments, would you pick the G310 GS over its rivals? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. This is Bike Future Hub, signing off. Ride safe, and see you in the next one.